Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today we will do skin smooth or face smooth in Photoshop. This is really important tutorial for portrait photographer, and we will use frequency separation technique. This is one of the best technique for portrait photographer, and especially who does work with magazine or any other print media. This is very useful technique for this kind of photographer. Let's make it. Now we will copy this layer, and initially we will remove the biggest spot. For this we will go to spot healing brush and we will remove the biggest spot. It will help to get a clear skin. Now we'll copy to another layer. Just simply Ctrl and J. On top layer we will set the blend option, vivid light, and I will invert this layer. Just simply Ctrl and I. Now we'll go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and I will put the value around 18 or 17. Okay. Now I will merge top two layer. Just simply select this one and right click and merge layer. Now I'll go to image, adjustment, hue and saturation, and we'll reduce the saturation up to -100. Okay. Now we'll again invert the layer. Just simply Ctrl and I. Next we will put the blend option, overlay, and again we will go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and we will put the value around 4 to 5. Okay. As we have got whole image as a blur image or soft image, we have to reverse it. For this we will select mask and we will invert it. Simply Ctrl and I. So we have got initial image. Now we will brush on the skin, which one we want, soft or smooth. For this we have to go to brush and we have to select the white side, as this is the black. Now we will brush on skin. We will set the opacity 100%. This is really cool and easy. Just look really professional. This is really fast. Now we'll brush on other skin like body skin or any other skin. Now we have to reduce the opacity. I will put around 40 to 50. Because face skin or other skin are not the same, we'll just put little brush on our lips also, subject lips. So we have got our desired smooth skin. If you think this is too much, you can reduce it. Just simply reduce the opacity, set the opacity as our requirement. I will put it around 90 to 95%. Okay, now I will merge this layer. Just simply Ctrl Shift Alt and E. So I have got our final image and I have to improve a little bit. For this I will select sharp tool and I will set the mode normal. Now I will enhance the eye color and light. Just check before and after. This is really easy, and I will do some other thing, like I will select burn tool and I will just little brush on eyebrow and lips. Keep the exposure around 10 so you will get the best result. So we have got our final image and I will check before and after image. So by this way we can got really cool effect and it looks very professional. We will provide action for this in our description. You go to description and download it and use it. Now we'll see how does it work with complicated image. This is really complicated image. We'll input on this one. For this we'll just simply copy one layer and we'll reduce the spot, biggest spot, so it will help us to get the better result. As this is really complicated image, let's check how does it work. Now we'll run our smooth skin action. Just play. You have to just double click on the action and it will automatically appear in your action section. Now we'll brush it and we have got our desired white section here. We'll increase the opacity. Now we'll reduce the opacity 50%. We'll brush on other. So we have got our desired skin. I will just merge this one, just simply Ctrl Shift Alt and E, and I will work with eye. Simply select the sharp tool and choose the blend mode normal, and next go to burn tool. Just little brush on here. So we have got our desired result. Let's check before and after. This is really dramatical change in a few minutes. So you download the action and use it and try other my tips. It will improve your workflow and result. So if you think this is cool effect or cool action for your work, just give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.